Hi, in this video, we will be claiming Figma for Education account for free. So we can have access to more features of Figma while we practice online. So in my tab, wrote down Figma for Education and opening this link which says Figma for Education, free tool. And feel free to give it a read. To summarize why we are here, because while creating an account, we chose the starter package because in any other package, it will have asked us to pay monthly or yearly. So basically, Figma offers free professional accounts to uh, educators and students. So that's what we are going to claim so we can have access to more features. So when I click on get verified, it takes me to this. So it asks me, are you a student, educator, or administrator? So you can choose you are a student. What type of institution do you attend? So most of you will be here through a boot camp or online program. I'm going to choose that. Why are you applying for Figma for Education? I am applying for free account so I can learn and practice Figma in my UX course or UX bootcamp. I think this should do it. What is your school name? So you can add this name of your school, and I am writing down institute that I work in. If it doesn't show the institute you came from, you can simply write the full name and it will add another. Okay, it says school not listed. If it is not selected, I can simply write down choose this option. So if my school is not listed, I can write the name here now. What is the school's website? So I'm gonna write school's name here and open link to copy this part of it, not the about one. I can even click on this logo to get the name. So this is the URL for the school's website. What is my primary field of study? It is UX and interactive design. Share a URL of the course you are taking. Okay, so I have to upload a copy of the bootcamp receipt or the course confirmation. You can upload the email you received from the when you joined, or maybe the invitation your classroom, or maybe it will be better if you could upload the email that you received that yeah you are the part of the boot camp now. So I'm not uploading that screenshot in this video, but you should be able to take a screenshot um, using this feature. Snipping tool, you will be able to find it even from the search. So if you open the email, you click on this new and you should be able to take screenshot of any section that you want to. And when it is created, you should be able to save it and save it using this. You can give it a name, proper name, email, something, and save it. So you can upload it later. So do that. I will be choosing this off the video and please share a URL of the course. So when I'm gonna go to the courses, I'm gonna go to the UX course. So let's add this. Expected graduation. I hope this only takes 6 months. So let's do this. Here, I hope the same year. And the information to submit here, yes, it is. Yes, 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 I am 13 years old. And oh, okay. I confirm that I'm a student educator. So yes, if you are presenting, yes, 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 I agree. So now I'll be submitting this. Uh, so when I clicked on submit after uploading the proof, I am on this page, which asks me that you are verified now and you can now create and join the education team and you won't have allows it give it a read. Basically what it does is it gives you to there are three packages that we started from. So we selected starter. So this Figma for Education basically gives us access to the second one, which is called professional level teacher. No, forgot the word. Yeah, professional level teacher. So when I click this, it takes me to this. So feel free to give it a read. What happens is that I go to my Figma app, or you can open it in the browser if you want to. And this is the dashboard. So here it previously said that you need to upgrade. Now it says that now you have verified yourself for Figma for Education. Now, are you ready to upgrade a team for free? So choose a team. So basically, right here, I only have one team, which is by created by default. This is the main and theme. So it says free right to it. So choose a theme. I'll do this, or I can simply click on this too. Let's choose a theme. It has only one theme. So I should be able to click on this and do next. I'm clicking on this. It says everyone with the edit was okay, sounds cool. I agree to this and it is costing me only $0. That's right. And complete upgrade. And bam. It says that now you have access to all this. Um, Sweet. You should be able to read all of this and figure this out. My focus is to have this set up. So basically, we have removed the three section from here and the warning that was coming from here and the name. Now, yeah, for now in this video, we'll be focusing on how we claim the free account. Let's see you in the next video.